Hello and welcome to today's trading video on Nifty trading setup for 2nd of March 2021. In this video, we'll be analyzing today's trading day of Nifty 50 index and we'll also plan for tomorrow's trading. Here in front of me, I've got the Nifty 15-minute chart and we can see that today was a really good day for the bulls. Nifty closed more than 200 points today, and the most of the increase was due to the gap up, the huge gap up which we got today. And after the gap up, market was kind of range bound in around 50 to 100 points. So when we further analyze the today's trading day, we can see that Nifty Media was the major contributor for today's trading day. Nifty Media was up by more than 4%, 4.3%, and even the metal has increased by 2% around about in today's trading day. Metal has been on a roller coaster ride since the last few months. Even in the last week, it was up by 7%, and it continued its up move. Well, and after the auto sales data, guess who increased today? Nifty Auto. It was more than 2% up on the indices, and well, on the loser end, only PSU Bank was slightly down by 0.6%. So overall, everything was up today. All the indices were up. When we look at the major contributor to Nifty, we can see that HDFC Twins were the biggest contributor, followed by other banks like the ICICI Bank and even Reliance was up today. And the major stock which pulled back was Airtel. It was more than 4% down today, and it is the only stock which was in red, and it contributed to a slight reduction in the prices of Nifty. Let us see the FII and DII activity for today's trading day. We can see that after the huge sell-off that FII managed to do in the Friday trading session, they managed to buy by 125 crores in today's trading session. Though small, but it is good that they bought in today's trading day. And since the prices were up, DIIs again decided to sell, and they sold for 194 crores in today's trading day. So all in all, not a big bad news. This has been the theme since few months now, and when we see the open interest, open positions of FIIs and DIIs, this is also a usual activity. 67% long on index futures from FIIs, and overall 57% long. So same thing, not a big change from the last few months. Now let us go on to check the open interest data. 15,000 still has the maximum number of contracts open, followed by 14,800. When we say this, we can, when we see the US market opened just some time back now, and there's a sharp increase in the prices because of the stimulus, and even the SGX Nifty is around 50 to 70 points up as we speak, and it would be interesting to see how the market will gap up or will open up in tomorrow's trading session. Well, and when we see the put side of open interest, we can see that 14,500 has been written heavily. Even 14,000 is written heavily. In fact, even 14,800 has got a lot of open interest. But the put open interest is not as high as the call open interest at 15,000 level. Well, and if we see the increase in option open interest, we can see that 14,800 calls has increased drastically. Around 6,000 contracts were added in 14,800 calls. Tomorrow there's a chance that this may go in the money. Well, it would be interesting to see tomorrow's price action. And then 14,700 put also had a huge open interest addition. 11,000 contracts were added on 14,700 put options. So now the most important question, what would be the range for tomorrow's trading session? We still feel that 15,000 would be a huge resistance even now, even in spite of the positive news that is coming around. And mind you, there's only 3 trading session left in this in this expiry. So even in fact, it would be difficult for the market even to cross 14,900. Remember, 14,900 was the place from where the sell-off happened last time. So 14,900 around would be the range for upper range for tomorrow's trading session, and today's low, we'll have to see today's low. That definitely would be a really good level for the range on the downside. So let us go on to the Nifty 15-minute chart and analyze how are the prices poised for tomorrow's trade in the technical session. Well, this is the 15-minute chart of Nifty, and we can see that this is the level from which the huge sell-off happened, from 14,900 all the way down to 14,563. A slight pullback, and then again all the way down to 14,460. So this is where the huge sell-off happened, and this is the level which we have to be wary of as a bull. So this is the level on the upper end. And on the lower end, this low is definitely a really important low. I don't think the market should go down to this level in the coming few days. However, this is the another low, today's low, which from where the market bounced back of this level is 14,650 level, around that, and I feel this could be a really important range on the downside. So the range comes out to be 14,900 to 14,650. Though tomorrow we are expected to open around more than 14,800. We'll have to wait and watch how tomorrow's trading session would be like. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll be back again with some more videos in the coming few days. So thank you.